Hello and welcome to today's lesson on DZW in Shona. For pronunciation guide, watch the video on DZ. The letters DZW in Shona sound like Dzw, Dzw. Say it with me. Dzw. Now add vowels. Dzwa, Dzwe, Dzwi, Dzwo, Dzwu, Dzwa, Dzwana, Dzwi, Dzwi, Dzwa, Dzwanda, Dzwi, 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 Dzwa, Dzwanica, Dzwi, Dzwinia, Dzwi, Dzwi, Dzwinia, Dzwa, Dzwe, Dzwi, Dzwo, Dzwu. That's it for the letters DZW, short and sweet. When do you enjoy watching Sarura Kids videos the most? Is it in the morning, just after you've had your breakfast? Is it in the afternoon, when you're having your lunch? Is it on the drive to school? Let us know on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, and of course on YouTube. See you there.